Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play an Arms Warrior. Arms Warriors are masters of two-handed weapons, delivering powerful burst damage and effective cleave. Your core gameplay revolves around maintaining bleeds, managing your rage resource, and executing your abilities strategically. We will cover the essential skills and rotation to maximize your impact in any combat situation, ensuring you dominate the battlefield. Your main rotation focuses on a few key abilities. Always keep Rend active on your targets for consistent bleed damage. Mortal Strike is your heaviest hitting ability and should be used on cooldown. Follow up with Overpower, which generates rage and buffs your next Mortal Strike. When enemies drop below 20% health, unleash Execute for devastating finishing blows. Arms Warriors have several powerful cooldowns and utility spells. Bladestorm transforms you into a whirlwind of destruction, dealing massive area of effect damage. Sweeping Strikes is excellent for two targets, making your single target attacks hit an additional enemy. For defense, Defensive Stance reduces incoming damage by 20%, and Rallying Cry provides a temporary health increase for your entire group. When choosing talents, select those that complement your playstyle, whether it's more single target or area of effect focused. For gearing, prioritize weapons with the highest item level. Your secondary stats should generally focus on critical strike and mastery to maximize your damage output. Look for trinkets that offer strong burst damage or useful utility effects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.